I have with me the TinyChange 2025 Classic Life Planners. Now, this comes in two different colors. One is black and the other one is a maroon. So let's open one and see how it looks like. Once you open the box that it comes in, you can see there are two things inside. Let's just open them and see. You have the planner and then you also get a wall planner. Let's just open the wall planner. So this is a big size one. You can put it up on your wall and then it'll give you a full bird's eye view of the entire year, and you can make all your plans and note down the important dates. So this is a wall planner. Let me keep that aside, and then let's get into the actual planner. Now this is the black color. You also have one more color variant, which is maroon. That planner also comes with the wall planner. So these are the two color variants available this year. Let's open the planner and then understand the pages inside. So once you open the planner, you will be able to see an introduction section. And then there is some content to help you get the most out of this planner, key learnings from 2024. And then the section 1 starts, which is called as a life compass. These have a set of exercises to help you understand yourself better. This part is really important before you plan for the year, because it will help you understand what are the key things that you want to achieve this year and also across the longer term perspective of your life. You can capture your life achievements until this point in time, your dream life, the list of goals you want to achieve in your life, the core values that define you as a person, the rules that you always live by, etc. And finally, a self-assessment to understand how you're doing across 4 key areas of your life, which is health, wealth, happiness, and wisdom. So once this is aside, you get a good idea about yourself and your priorities in life. Now it's time to plan for 2025. That's where section 2 starts with goals roadmap. You'll first learn about goal setting and then identify the top 3 goals you want to pursue this year. And then once you identify it, for each of these 3 goals, you will create what's called as a goals roadmap. This is for goal 1, this is for goal 2 and goal 3. Once you're done with that, you also need a plan to stay healthy, wealthy, happy, and wise. You will see this section getting expanded in each month as well. You also have a vision board where you take different cutouts and paste, or you draw and you imagine the life you want in 2025, followed by a calendar view where you can mark out all the important dates. Your ideal week design. How do you want all weeks to pan out? This is like a template you want to follow for the entire year. Then you have the ideal day design. What are the things that you typically do as a morning routine? How do you start your work session? How do you close your work session? What are the night routines that you want to have? Here you have the monthly pages explained, you have the weekly pages explained, and then starts the next section, which is the bulk of the planner, called as the planning pages. So each month start with a different quote here, and you can also paint and color here. And now let's understand how a month is structured. This is very important because it repeats itself for every 12 months. It starts with a plan for the month. You have an ability to note down the key appointment for the month, your anchor, your big 3 items you want to focus for this month, the 4 key areas, what are you going to do this month for your health, wealth, happiness, and wisdom. Then you have a key tasks this month section, which can be further subdivided into 4 different areas. And then starts the weekly page. So this is the weekly view that repeats itself for all 52 weeks in the year. Monday to Friday comes here. You have the ability to note down the top 3 tasks here. You also have the ability to write down the word of the day, a word that you want this day to represent. That inspiration list is available here. You can look at some inspiration for what can be the word of the day. There's a separate section for dashboard. Here, your working days, which is Monday to Friday, comes here. Your weekend comes here. You also have a habits tracker where you can track your habits. You also have a weekly challenge. These can be across 4 different areas of health, wealth, happiness, wisdom, etc. And once you complete those activities, you have a space to journal how you felt like, or you can even use a space to note down important things that comes up during the course of the week. At the end, you have my achievements for this week, my learnings this week, and I'm grateful this week for. These 3 things you fill up at the end of the week. You also have a tiny reminder here. These are different for each week. And you have a quote at the end of this page. So this is the weekly structure which repeats itself for all the 52 weeks of the year. So once you complete week 4 and week 5 of January, you have at the end of each month a stop look proceed, which is like you're reviewing the month that passed by, taking the learning from the month, and then using those learnings to improve your next month. So this is how a month is structured. This is how the entire thing repeats for 12 months in 2025. And once you complete the year, you have something called as a life dashboard. So in life dashboard, there are 4 important items over research and from our experience working with thousands of individuals from 2017 have realized are very important in everyone's life. These may be simple things, but it has a great impact in your life. So you can note down how much sleep you got the last day and how much water you had today. And at the end of the day, you rate yourself on how productive do you feel and what was your mood like. So over a period of time, you will get an understanding as to how sleep is impacting your life. You may realize that whenever you get good sleep in the previous light, you're able to become more productive or your mood is better when you're hydrating yourself better. So this repeats itself for all the months of the year. That's a life dashboard, followed by a finance dashboard. All of you would like to budget for the month across different sections and also note down the actuals on each of these sections. There may be difference between what you budgeted for and what you incurred as the right expense. Is divided as per quarters. This is for quarter 1, all the 3 months, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4 comes here. You also have a subscriptions tracker, monthly subscriptions that you have. You note it down here so that you get to understand what frequency are they doing, which is a subscription that you'd like to cut down and save some money on as well. And the last section of the planner is called Life Kit Lists. These are different wish lists and checklists that help you note down the different things that comes to your brain at various points in time. You have things like 100-day projects, skills I want to acquire, books I want to read, places I want to visit, things to buy, hobbies I'd like to pursue, self-care, home improvement, songs that make me happy, people who inspire me, etc. It's a lot of interesting things out here. You would have some planning stickers, some good poster stickers, some other stickers, some stickers with golden, and then some icon stickers that you can use to make the overall planning process a little bit fun. You also have some blank pages here. I did speak about the word of the day inspiration, which you can refer to, which is in the last page. Just behind that page, you also have 2025 Indian holidays and observances, so you can quickly glance at any point in time to understand what is your next holiday coming up. You would have a pouch on the back with some accessories. You can put whatever you want, important things that you don't want to miss and you want to carry around. So this is the TinyChange 2025 Classic Life Planner. You have an enclosure ribbon here. You have 2 bookmark ribbons here. This is the front of it. This shines and this is the back side. And similarly, this is the maroon colored one. So that's it. Thank you.